Hello my friends, welcome back. We are still looking at fractions, subtracting a fraction from a mixed number and the steps that you take to solve the problem. Let's get to it. Again, there is our subtraction, and I always recommend that we always see if the denominators are the same, and if they're not, to label it, because that is already telling you that we have to find equivalent fractions, which means we have to convert those unlike denominators into like denominators. And we also are going to notice that we have a whole number this time. Okay, so now we have boxes to represent the model fraction to solve this problem. And notice that I'm just labeling everything the way it should be. Here's the minus sign, here's the minus sign. So this is 1/2, it's there, and this is 1/5. So we're gonna do the divisions right here. And now we have 5 parts in it. And then we have 3 parts, which is the denominator letting us know what we need to do. We're going to just mimic that right here on the bottom. We're going to mimic it. We're going to do the same thing, and right here we're going to do the same thing. This is the extended form of solving this problem. I know for some people, some of you will be easier, for some of them it's still challenging. This is why I'm presenting the information in different ways. So now, this is the 1/2, so we're just going to color the whole shape. This is 1/5. Oh, well, let me do this since they're the same, the top and the bottom. And this is 1/5, so I'm going to represent it down here as well. And this is 1/3, so this is 1/3. Now you would say, why do we have this twice? Well, the reason we have it twice is because now this one is going to help us convert it into an equivalent fractions. So now this is 1/5, correct? And this is going to be, because these two are together, this is going to become also fifths, because the numbers is together, is the same number. There you have it. So we're going to make it into 5 parts as well. 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. So now these two, when you combine them, is going to be the same denominator, which is 5. I'm going to count how many there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now we have an improper fraction. Minus the 1/3. So now let's find the common denominators. How do we do that? Well, on these shapes on the bottom, we're going to show you how. We're going to multiply the ones that have 5 parts into times 3, or we're going to divide it in 3 parts. And there you go. 1, 2, 3 parts. And this one is going to be also 3 parts. Now the 5 is going to divide the one that has already 3 parts into 5 more parts. So there you go. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now when you do this, it's like, it makes it a lot easier to see visually what happened. So let's find the equivalent fraction for this number. So now the equivalent fraction is going to be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3 times 5 equals 15. Now we know that the denominator is 15. And just so you know, all the other ones have to be 15 in the denominator, or 15 parts. I'm going to check that right now. So now that will be, oh wait, that's 15. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. 5 times 3 equals 15. This one is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, again, this one is going to be 15. So here's our subtraction with like denominators. So now we're going to count how many parts we have. That's 15 parts, 16, 17, 18 parts here. And this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 5. So now, because we have like denominators, my friends, now we can subtract them with ease. What is the denominator? Well, it's the same because they are alike. 18 minus 5 equals 13. Now there you have it. That's our answer, 13/15. We cannot simplify it, or we cannot find mixed numbers because the number on the numerator is less than the number on the denominator. And we can conclude that this answer is, the answer is less than 1. Let's write this down. Answer is less than 1. Okay, my friends, please watch these videos. You know, I'm giving it all I got over here, so I hope they're helping you out. Signing out from Studio G2, your Coach Magnifico, and remember, subscribe and like the video. I never tell you to like my videos, but you know what? Today's a good day to ask you. Like my videos. You have a wonderful day.